There's a lawyer in Miami who is suing the Spurs because they didn't play their best players in a game there last year. It's a problem this Mavericks team doesn't have. Probably not a problem for the Spurs either, but it does make for a good argument. Here's Ted Madden.
When the San Antonio Spurs made their only appearance in Miami earlier this season, 4 of their starters did not. Head coach Greg Popovich sent them home, choosing rest over making them play in their 6th road game in 9 nights.
The stars weren't there. Other people around me were making comments about that as well.
Larry McGinnis filed a lawsuit against the Spurs. The Miami attorney alleges the team violated Florida's Deceptive and Unfair Trade Practices Act by not giving notice that those starters would not play in the game.
The Spurs have always did this.
Tickets for which cost more than they do than for lesser opponents. Dallas lawyer Michael Hurst.
My view is that the chances of this case being certified as a class action are incredibly minimal.
Popovich and the Spurs have yet to comment on the lawsuit. The NBA fined the Spurs $250,000, in large part because the Spurs failed to follow NBA protocol by notifying the league, the media, and the opposing team that those players would not be at the game.
The supposed policy violation by Popovich or the San Antonio Spurs in resting those players is between the team and the NBA. That doesn't necessarily give the fans a private right of action.
The bigger question is what this means for NBA coaches if outside influences are allowed to affect how they do their job. Mavericks head coach Rick Carlisle wasn't interested in hearing any questions that weren't about tonight's game. Maybe it's just as well Carlisle didn't listen to the question because there's no real good answer. Fans pay good money to see the best players, but coaches should be able to make decisions that are best for their team. Ted Madden, Channel 8 Sports in Dallas.